hear the echo.
Love it.
I'm gonna blow that.
Hey, hold up there. Don't blow up. Don't buy here. You don't want to break their ear. No, we're gonna wait. They're gonna go down.
It's too low for them.
And then they're gonna come back. So we're gonna wait.
They're gonna come back. Let them have fun.
Don't want to blow their eardrums
Let them have
out.
fun and not get them deaf.
Yeah, maybe you should blow it that way. Pop somebody's.
It's loud when it's not facing you.
Oh yeah. You know what I learned out here? Oh, we can put that up there. You want to change it now while we're waiting?
Can I pull it? Can I get it up? I have a couple
Yeah.
ones. I'm not trading ones. I have a couple ones.
Look at
Take a
that.
picture of this.
Look at this sucker. I have like 3 horns. They're not train horns, but
That's the same horn as that Santa Fe has.
Yeah,
RS3L.
Nice 3L.
I can tell. It says Leslie, right? You can tell it's Leslie because of how many times it says it.
And then they have an RS5T.
Oh, that's a
Have
classic.
you realized both the Dash 8 and the DDH-1X are both from the same horn?
Yeah, they're old locomotives. It was popular back then. What the hell is this?
How loud is it?
Loud as hell.
Would you rather hear it loud?
I film sirens.
I'm used to the horns.
I film sirens.
Okay, here we go.
I film sirens. I love loud sounds.
Michael, give that thing a whale
once he's out of the way.
Yeah, let him get down by the cars.
This thing will mess up his ears.
Let him get down a ways.
I'm gonna blow a horn show based off what I heard once.
Alright, give that
based off what an Amtrak did to me once.
get up in the
Thanks, man.
You're welcome.
That was very fun. Thank you.
Vintage horns. It's one hell of a collection.
One of my favorites.
It's one hell of a collection.
Oh yeah, this is an RF 5T. Which one's the RF 5T? See, this is an RS here. Yeah. See with these spikes sticking out? Yeah. That's an RS. That's the first generation. Then aluminum tabbies is next. Then they call these S heads. They're just round. Yeah. You know? And then they went to these RS. And then this is the P5. Yeah, that's the P5. And everyone's favorite right there, the K5. And that's the prime version. That one sounds a lot like that. Ah, that's a Milwaukee Road one. Ooh, this is
Milwaukee Road. There's a chassis here.
Wait, I definitely want to hear it. Oh wait, see the same thing here now.
You can hear them all. That'll take a while.
Second generation. Look at this flat here. Look. And then the third generation, both of these were flat. Never go. That had a little higher pitch to them.
Oh, this camera.
Third generation.
These were built in Parsippany, New Jersey.
Ready? Here we go. Record this one. Hear the horn on that thing?
Bro, that made my teeth vibrate.
You should actually make that. You should make that your like part of your intro.
Maybe. That made my teeth vibrate.
Like you should make that your profile picture. Wait, what if you make that your profile picture?
Could.
Yeah, I was making sure.
Yeah, wait for these guys having fun. Dude, that made. Yeah, wait for these guys. That made. I was standing pretty far behind it. It was making my teeth vibrate.
Because I remember my friends said that things were favorite horns.
I mean, who doesn't love these suckers?
And maybe next we can do the profile.
When you live next to the Peoria sub, you hear some good horns.
Burlington?
Yeah. I live near where there's like 8 crossings. None of them are quiet zones. And just last night there was an RS3L honking. Or there's something honking. I'm not sure what unit it was.
He
but
has
it was
an RS3K.
Yeah, I was hearing. Yeah, when you're on the Peoria, there's a couple times where I heard some mystery horns.
Oh yeah.
Cause I seen you a recording of one that was like.
I think that. Which one's the RS3K again?
Whichever one's Leslie. Here on this one, you can see the builder's plate. Right there. Builder's plate.
And of course, we all know this one.
Parsippany, New Jersey. These are built in New Jersey. Hello. Having one hell of a blow. I need an air compressor. I have like 3 horns. It's one hell of a collection. Watch me be a genius. Make sure it takes a photo. Alright. I got like 4 photos. I got like 4, at least. I feel bad for Logan for not being. Feel bad for Logan for not being here.
Wait.
I'm gonna put it here.
Wait.
Yeah, I'm not gonna blow it. I'm not blowing it. No, because that's gonna destroy the ears. Because I'm standing right here. Do the other one. My teeth are vibrating.
That's just a little more mellow than the S3L, but I mean it's good and loud, but it doesn't have the sharp tone, you know. It's a little more mellow. Missouri Pacific diesel line.
Thanks for not blowing the horn when we go on the valve.
We don't want to blow anybody's eardrums out.
Like I said, it was vibrating basically the ground
Says that
and everything. My whole body, even my teeth were vibrating. Just standing behind me. Ready? Ladies and gentlemen. I hear those things do that a lot.
The other thing neat about these primes is the third generation. In the end of the manifold, there was a plug.
Oh yeah.
And they would put a valve in there in the center of the manifold, and if you just pulled it a little bit, only the center trumpet would blow.
Oh yeah, that's what I was trying to do.
Like if you were in town, if you didn't want to blow any of the brains out, you know, and only the center trumpet would blow, and then you pull it harder, and then the other two would
Yeah,
line up.
that's what I was trying to do. Can it do that? Or?
No, this one can't.
Well, that's what I was trying to
The,
do. Because my friends told me that's how it works.
Yeah, the one I have, well, like I say, this is the first generation. It doesn't have the valve. But the third generation, the one with the flat trumpets, that has the valve in it. And luckily, mine's on the computer at work.
I get that old K5 LA up next?
Yeah.
All right. Let's get that old baby. Let's get old chassis drill on the next.
All the K5 LAs today, they've got a restrictor on the bottom. set?
I have a
All
side
clear.
outside.
All right, let's do it.
That shakes the ground.
Back here. That thing is neat. I need to get it.
I've heard of training you that. You want to blow it?
We're gonna let that little kid get out of the way. They got a real dumb hand. Actually, the car coming. Here comes the motor car with a hand car.
Now we have a chestnut.
I guess we'll find out.
No, my
That was after.
oh.